This is my beef mince, and I'm going to start by adding in the garlic powder, but you can use fresh garlic as well.
Real burgers are very easy to make. Salt, pepper, Worcester sauce. They're just a bit of a mixing job, really.
This is the fun bit. I always like getting my hands dirty. It feels really strange. It feels a bit like putty.
If you're taking over the kitchen, don't forget, your grown-ups like you to ask them first.
The biggest fan of burgers in our family is Jack. He is a bit of a carnivore. So this is where the great secret comes in. You get a lump of it and you roll it into a ball. You grab a block of cheese and you just make a hole in the middle and you hide it in and just put the burger over the top so nobody knows until they cut into their burger and they're like, oh wow, it's some cheese. It's clever, isn't it? Well, I like having recipes with a twist to them because it's different to every day. It's more fun.
Then just pop in the oven for about 20 minutes and remember,
you always have to clean your hands after making stuff with raw meat.